Hey guys, we are students from AS120 UiTM Perlis. So, we had given a task to make a video and explain to you guys about sound level. Did you guys know or ever heard about sound level? Let me tell you a little bit about it. Sound level is the loudness of a sound closely related to the logarithm of the intensity. It can be measured in unit decibel. So, the formula given in the video is the formula to calculate the sound level. To make it easier for you guys to understand, sound level involves in variety of application, and one of those are the workers at the airport. Do you realize the airport worker that works on the plane landing? They usually wear the headphone to reduce the sound on their surrounding. So, now we will proceed to the calculation section. In this subtopic, the formula that had been given are really simple, and the calculation is also so easy to understand. Make sure you guys give a full attention to this part. Lastly, we really hope that this video will help you guys to understand more in sound level. Please share this video to your friends and don't forget to like, as it really means so much to our group marks. Thank you for watching this. Bye!